down, oh, I'm coming. Customer, I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. Give me. See your own. Calm down, I'm coming. Oh, I know. Auntie, please calm down. I'm putting your own. Fast. With or without? With everything. Oga, welcome, oh. They come, oh. I'm coming, Oga. Auntie, I'm coming. Extra cake. I'm coming, oh. Thank you. You want plantain?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oga, welcome.
I need takeaway.
Takeaway?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm coming, oh. Oga, welcome.
Yeah, you have rice, right?
Yes, I
You want rice and plantain.
Okay. With meat?
Yes.
Madam, please, I need more meat. Oga, you say you want takeaway?
Takeaway.
Okay. With or without?
So with you put meat and dodo.
Okay.
Plantain.
Plantain.
Chioma, my love, I go carry you go Atlanta. Chichi, my love, I go carry you go Atlanta. Chichi,
We dey back.
how is business going?
Business is going well.
Hi! So I am welcome to Classic Test Delicious Food Center.
I'm coming,
Yes, I should go and sit.
Go and sit down. I'll bring your own now.
Dodo now.
Yes, I'll bring
Wow,
it.
hi, Chioma, my love.
Oga, please, calm down.
I go carry you go Atlanta.
Madam, put dodo.
Chichi, my love.
Look, sit down.
Metu Atlanta.
I know. I'm coming. Oga, please.
But I first then come
just
now.
1 second. 1 second.
Sure.
Auntie, I'm coming. Auntie, I'm coming.
I'll come back now. She will bring it.
Hi, Chichi, my love. I will carry you go Atlanta. Just one plate. You know you don't have money. Eat only one plate, no extra. See, no extra. Don't finish my Chioma's delicious.
Yes.
Get off rice. Hi, Chioma.
Sorry.
Hope after this one you go put the dodo and the meat.
The order before you.
But I guess those three come now.
Chichi, my love.
Auntie,
You will look over now. My medulla oblongata. Chioma, my love. This is classic. This is the best. That's delicious rice. See, don't eat extra. I'm the only one that will eat extra. I'm the only one that will
Just one. We need one. Just one.
I'm the one that extra.
Hey, baby.
Hey, boo.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Mm.
Can you give me a pen?
I'm here. Okay.
I'm fine, thank you. By the way, are you going out?
No, but I'll step out later in the day to just see Dave.
Oh, okay.
You know, catch a drink.
I know.
That reminds me.
Yeah.
Are you not supposed to be at the culinary school?
I know, but... Well, don't judge me, babe. But I got lazy and decided to join them online.
Come on, babe. You've been watching YouTube videos for ages now. I want you to have a practical training, like physical. At least you get to see how things are done now.
I know, babe. I mean, I know I'm supposed to go over there and do everything practically. But then again, it is stressful. And you know I don't like to stress. So I'd rather join them online. But not to worry. I've got a recipe to make something super delicious for you sometime later today.
Really?
You're gonna love it. It's a promise.
Right. I can't wait to have a taste of it.
I know. You're gonna like it for real. Come on, babe. Why are you looking at me like that? You know what comes to mind when you do that. Come on.
But tell me.
Babe, come on. Babe, you're making me so spoiled. Don't put me in the mood, okay? It's too early for that.
Is it too early? There's no time of the day.
Come on, babe. Jeez.
See, Chidoski, you are a lucky man. Yes, you are a very, very lucky man. Oh. Yes, now. See, let me tell you. If they should ask me, your work is to sleep, wake up, go chop, then sleep back.
Meku, I know. See, you and I know that me, Chidoski, is it Rempan, JYC T-Pen. Now, take a look at my T-Pen hairstyle, yo.
I dey see am, Daddy.
Meku, is it T-Pen?
It's a fear.
I'm a lucky man. I did lucky. Right from day one, I will go the lucky. I'm lucky. I know, but see, say there is something that I've been longing to tell you in this village. You don't even know my joy in this village. You want joy, Chidoski. Do you know Chioma, my love? You know that, my girl?
Our wife now.
Chioma, my love, Metu and Atalanta. See, Chioma is the best chef. Like the best woman that can cook food in this whole world.
Bam.
Now that girl can cook. Chioma see, Chioma use food and scatter my medulla oblongata. Chioma siwalia Chidoski medulla oblongata.
Bam.
Chioma can cook food.
Chidoski, me and you know say Chioma can cook. So no they allow them. But even you self, I don't understand your way. You just dey waste time. When are you taking us to go and pay a bride price?
You see?
She can cook. She's beautiful. What are you waiting for now?
I don't understand. I should go and pay her bride price. Emeka, just take a look at what you are saying with your mouth. I should go and pay her bride price. Me, Chidoski, go and pay for her bride price. With which money? With ego on one shishi. Do I have any cash with me? I'm wearing shishi, half a penny, and we're rum. Chidoski, and we're raw. For free. Still, she she still dash me money. Now I cook free food. Where will I get the money to marry her? Becky Jokansi will take on Metu and marry her.
But is your Atlanta baby now? I thought she's the love of your life.
See, Emeka, are you out of your senses? You must be in a sometimes I used to wonder what kind of the kind of memory see, you must learn how to keep your mouth shut. Just look at what you are saying. See, each time, next time you mention this bride price of 18, I will untag you from eating free food. Mandus if you don't learn how to keep your mouth shut, I should go and pay her bride price.
He never reached that level now. Why are you going to?
If you don't want me to untag you from free food, then we will pin. See your lips. And then what has the bride price? Bride price for what? For which money?
Hey, baby.
Hey. Oh, food is ready.
It is. I told you.
Okay.
I can bet my 2 cents you're gonna love me more after having this meal.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? I can't wait to have a taste of this meal.
Please proceed.
I can't wait to have a taste of this. You want to have some?
No, I made it specially for you.
Why don't you sit?
No, babe, I can't sit down to hear you tell me how much you love my meal. I just want to hear you tell me how much you're enjoying the meal.
It's alright. Let me have a taste of this.
Sure.
Amazing.
You like?
I like. No, you're really improving.
Baby. What do you mean I'm improving? You sound like I don't know how to cook. Whereas you just don't like my recipes.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
You're acknowledging that you don't like my recipes.
No. You're doing amazing. You're really improving. You know?
I thought you were going to tell me how mesmerized you are by my meals and you're telling me I'm improving.
Oh.
You know,
Babe.
baby, babe. What's wrong with him? Exactly. I think his taste bud is just bad. Because my love, do you feel better? Baby, I mean, you should have simply told me you don't like the food. I would have understood. Instead of forcing yourself to eat it and then you have to go through all of this. I'm sorry. You know what? I'll go get you some drugs.
No. It's fine. I'll just rest, yeah. I'll just rest.
Okay, let me make you a hot cup of Lipton. That would definitely help. Okay? I'll be right back.
Who knows if this one can even make common tea? Lord. Hey.
Chioma, my love. I go carry you go Atlanta. Hi. Chioma, my love. I go carry you go Atlanta. Hi, Chioma. Chioma. In fact, I will carry you go Atlanta. This one, you are still at home. Are you not going to the market again? Why are you still at home?
I don't need to go to the market because I have enough ingredients that will take me till tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes, Obi, my
In fact, let me just... Chioma, my love. You don't need to stress yourself. What about the... That's why I said that I will carry you go Atlanta. Chioma, my love. I go carry you go Atlanta. Chioma, my love. Metu bago Atlanta. In fact, Chioma, you have finished me with that your delicious taste. You will look on Nisiwalia Chidoski Medulla Obulangata. Hi, Chioma, my love. Okay, wait. Wait. What about the money you said that you...
Okay, I have it. Hold on.
Chioma, she has the money. Hi, Chioma, my love. Chioma, my love. I go carry you go Atlanta. Hi, Chioma. Hi.
Here, it's complete.
Hi. Chioma, my love. Chioma, go carry you go Atlanta.
I know.
Oh, this whole
It's
money.
complete. 2, 3, 4, 5.
5,500 naira. In In fact, see, that's why I say that I must carry you go Atlanta, Georgia. Chioma, my love. Chioma will carry you go Atlanta. Chioma, my love. Chioma, finish. Yes, don't. See, Chioma, see. Chioma, my love. Chioma, weluni. Yeah. Si waliechi doski medula oblankata. Medula oblankata gepia walong within. Chioma, weluni. Si waliechi doski iti trempano. Chidoski je YC T-Pen. Yeah. Take a look at my T-Pen hairstyle, yo. Now, T-Pen hairstyle. Chidoski je boy. Now you can see that in fact, your food is so delicious. You have finished my life with this your best delicious food. You have, in fact, you will go nipia waliam medulla blancata. Still finish me with money. Now, can take a look,
baby.
Hi.
And I prepared your favorite isiewu.
Hi. So you mean you prepared isiewu for Chidoski Isitrempa no je YC T-Pen? Just take a look at my T-Pen hairstyle. Nah, can a T-Pen hairstyle and get what? You know what? Yeah? Chioma, why do you want to finish me up with food? You look at now, you gave me 5,500 naira.
Oh, my love.
You still prepare Isiewu for me. Upon the free food you used to give me all the time.
You need to come and sit
In
down.
fact,
Let me
I will cry for you.
No. Obim, come and sit.
Chioma!
Obim, sit.
Hi! Chioma, my love, well, see what Chidoski medulla oblongata. Chioma, my love, you see what medulla oblongata. Chidoski, is it trempa no YC T-Pen? Just take a look at my T-Pen hairstyle, yo. Now, can is it T-Pen? Hi! So Chioma want to finish me with food in this village. Chioma, yeah, see, bring that isiewu. But now, the isiewu I want to say and chilo buanine. Yana. Mat isiewu abiana negalo buagala na ganketa. Hi, Chioma.
What keeps you waiting?
Man, sorry, I had to just attend to one or two things. Guy, I'm hungry. I'm hungry, man.
Since your girlfriend is around, let's go to your house and eat.
What? No, I won't advise that, man. Let's just go to a fast food and just get something to eat ASAP.
Why are you sounding like this?
Dave, why are you talking like this now? Eh? You want us to go to my house and eat? Eat yes. What? Someone I registered in the culinary school, I refused to go. Please, let's go somewhere. Let's just go to a fast food and eat.
Oh. There was a day she served me one noodles like that. I couldn't even eat the food because it was tasteless.
Oh.
I thought it was coincidence. I never knew, like, it's serious. She doesn't know how to cook.
Oh. Just imagine. For someone that can't cook common noodles, what do you then expect to eat from that person? Please, let's go. Let's just look for someone else and eat.
In that case, there is a place I'm going to take you to. Yes, we'll go there and eat.
Sharp.
Though it's a local restaurant, so but you will like their food.
Local?
Yes.
You know these things are not hygienic now. I don't want to go there and eat something that will start making me have a running stomach.
No, you are not going to have running stomach. It's a very nice meal. You will like the place. You will like the food in short.
Wait. How long is this place? Because I'm really hungry, man.
Maybe like 30 minutes drive.
30 minutes?
There is no traffic on the road. Let's go.
Oh.
You will like the food, though. You are going to like that meal.
Let's go, Abel. 30 minutes drive. Just go and eat.
See our wife, God will bless you for me as well.
Tastes delicious. Tastes delicious.
Sir?
Beer.
Oh, my customer, welcome.
Send. Yeah, big man. Yeah.
Wow, you understand?
Okay.
I'm coming, friend. With or without?
It's something now. 2 minutes. Another 2 days. I'll call you what out. Come on, I forget. Why not the new person? I am. Where my own, no, Madam Delicious.
Oh, God, they come.
Come on, do one by yourself. Where your own, You go to talk no, leave am. You go see what you dey find. No. Madam, under that prayer.
You're rushing me. I would have gotten the
Our wife!
I hope you're enjoying the meal.
Yes, I'm enjoying it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Manager. Thank you, ma. Thank you. My customer.
Delicious.
You're welcome. I hope. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. I must say you cook really good. Yes. Even if it's a bit local, I'm really enjoying the food.
Yeah.
Oh, sir, thank you so much. I really appreciate this review. You know, when we get reviews like this from people like you, we tend to do more.
Nice.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome once again.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the food too.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Sir. Thank you.
Focus on the food. No, you're a very bad guy. My guy. This one where he packed take away, like, is it for this week alone or till next year?
It's for the week, man. Look, I don't want to keep eating rubbish. Yeah.
I told you are going to like her. She's the best food seller in this area.
Indeed, she is. Wait, I hope this is safe in your car.
Of course.
Okay, because I will take it once you drop me home after the meeting.
Okay, no problem.
Alright. Oh, her meals are really sumptuous.
That's delicious. That's delicious is her name.
I don't want that the name is like that. It's delicious.
Girl.
Wow.
It's very good.
Wow. Man, let's quickly rush off
Okay.
to that meeting, man.
Yeah.
Alright.
Babe! Where did you get this food from?
Oh, from one of the best local restaurants.
Did you say local?
Yeah. Do you like the food?
It is so delicious. My goodness.
Oh, nice. Why don't you keep ordering food from them?
No way. I can make this meal.
Oh, indeed.
And what's that supposed to mean? Are you mocking me?
Babe, no. Hey, look, I was just kidding. And I'm sorry.
Obim, I'm sorry. Please, I've heard you. Now it's okay. I'm sorry.
Jingwa, are you telling me that you are sorry? You are telling me that you are sorry, that it's okay? Choma, what is wrong with you? Choma, what is your problem? How can you be giving those guys free food when I am not around? Eh? See, Chioma, I want you to stop giving them free food. You can only give them free food when I am with them, based on you want to show some respect to me. Do you understand me? Stop giving them free food, Chioma. They will run you bankrupt. They will run you down. They will finish your money and finish your taste delicious classic jollof rice. They will run you down.
Obi, it's nothing now. Because they're your friends, I now see them as my brother-in-laws. You know, they call me our wife, my wife, my wife. So that's why I do it.
You are seeing those guys as your brother-in-law. In fact, stop seeing them as your brother-in-law. They are not your brother-in-law. Stop giving them free food. They will finish you up, Jingwa. And see, whenever I tell you something, you must abide by it. Do you understand me?
Okay.
If I say something, you do it, please.
Okay. I'm sorry. It will never happen again. I'm sorry. Oh, Zugo. It will have heard you. It will never happen again.
Okay, no problem. No problem. But you see those guys, eh? See, Emeka, I see those guys. I swear, if they upset me, if they upset me, I can bound them for 5 years. In fact, I can stop them from coming to eat in your shop.
Osugo, Biko. Osugo, it's okay. I'll never do it again, please.
See, you better not do it again.
I'll never do it again.
How can you be feeding those hooligans? Have you forgotten who I am?
No.
Chidoski, isi trempan, JYC T-Pen. Now take a look at my T-Pen hairstyle. Take a look. Then can you just respect it's trempan now for once?
I respect it, Obim. I'm sorry. Osugo, I'll never do it again. I promise you. I swear.
You better not do it again.
Osugo, no, I'll never. Obim, I'm sorry.
No problem. I will be going to my house now. You see that food that you wanted to give me now, eh? I want you to bring it to my house.
I thought you were staying behind.
No, I won't stay behind. I'm the one that used to come to your house every time. I've been visiting you every time. This time around, you bring the food to my house. It's your turn to come to my house.
No problem. Smile for me now. I'll do it.
Hi! Chioma, my love.
I'm sorry.
I go carry you go Atlanta. Chichi, my love. Metu na Atlanta. Turn around for me. Chioma, my love. Hi, Metu na Atlanta. Hi, nekenengwa. Chichi, my love. Metu na Atlanta.
I know.
See, you see that taste delicious jollof rice? Just make it, prepare it very well.
You don't need to tell me. I know what to do. Oh?
Hi, sure. Hi, Chichi, my love. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Hi, Chioma, my love. Hi, now carry you go Atlanta. All right, Metu na Atlanta. But Atlanta must see you. Hi, Chioma. Hi, Metu na Atlanta. Chioma, my love. I will carry you go Atlanta. Chioma, my love. Chidoski, it's trempa, no ye, do bagana Atlanta. Hi, Chioma.
Baby.
Yeah.
Babe. You're going out already?
Yeah.
Babe, I was hoping I could quickly make you breakfast.
Oh, no. I have an early start in the office, okay?
Babe.
Hmm?
I'm going to be quick about it. I promise, babe. Please.
Babe, look. Don't worry. I'll have something to eat at the office. Alright?
But then you know I love you, right?
Yeah.
Mwah.
See you soon.
How far now, my guy? I do your fence now. I don't park Metu for front too. You waste time. Me, I know my babe come meet me for you. She stress my life. How far? I don't leave you. Since now, I don't park for front since now. 5 minutes now I give you. If you know come on me, I don't leave you go. No stress now.
Hey. Where is he? No. Hello, babe. Where are you? Yes, I'm outside. I just came out. I'm looking for you. Work? Saturday. You don't go to work Saturdays and Sundays now. Private meeting. Since when? So you no longer tell me when you go to your private meetings again. Hope you are not at that girl's shop. You are not in that restaurant. Hope you haven't gone to see that stupid girl. I don't understand. Hey, he ended call me. Oh, it's that place. It's that girl. Don't worry, I'm coming to meet you. It's today that you see Grace. Don't worry, I'm coming. I know the place. So it's you that want to snatch away my breakfast from me. Are you okay? He comes here to get food and instead of you giving him food, you end up adding love potion to it. Are you mad?
No, add any love potion.
What are you saying?
I didn't snatch anybody's
boyfriend. He comes here to get food all the time.
He's just my call. I don't know who the person is. Who is he?
Chioma, what is it? What is it? I've been waiting for you at the back to serve me the food that I asked you to give to me. I told you that I'm very hungry. What is keeping you?
I went to wash the plate and then this food I was bringing it out only for her to rush in on me and slap me saying that I snatched her boyfriend.
What? Chioma? What did you just say? She slapped you?
She slapped me.
Yeah, now. Omarola? Obulola? Wegenante?
You're wasting my time.
So you
I will slap you and beat her.
You slapped Chioma, my love?
Yes.
Metu na Atlanta. Yes. Yeah. Ibulola kwe? Chioma? Chidoski isi trempano dia YC T-pen. Take a look at my T-pen hairstyle. So you slapped Chioma, my love. Metu na Atlanta. Madam, Mbawa.
Who invited you here? Who invited you here? Child, I will beat.
Why are you embarrassing yourself?
I don't understand. So you are here?
Babe, why are you embarrassing yourself? What are you doing here?
Are you okay?
What are you doing
here? So
here?
you are here?
Why are you embarrassing yourself?
And as for you.
Hey.
As for you.
Babe, it's okay.
I'm not here for you.
Chill.
I'm here for her.
Go and
get your boyfriend.
Is she your wife?
Relax.
Is this one you? Is she
Relax, man. Relax. Babe, why are you doing here? Why are you here?
I'm not here for you.
But why are you here?
I don't have your time.
Why are you here?
I'm here for her.
Madam, see, madam, you have to leave this place now.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going.
Madam, see.
I am not going.
Do you think, see,
leave it out.
Do you think he can come here to intimidate?
I am not going.
People that are in
I will beat the two of you today. And I will join and beat you. You better get out of here. I'm not here for you.
You need to go home now.
I'm not here for
you.
you.
Wait, Madam, now, if will I generalize? Madam, you have to leave this place
now. You are talking rubbish.
It's fine.
You have to leave. If will I generalize?
You are talking rubbish.
Babe, you need to go now.
Don't hear the name of our restaurant.
Well, there's no
Classic.
problem. There's no problem. I will meet you at home. Come and meet me.
Fine, go.
Look at your hair.
See, is she your wife or your girlfriend?
She's my girl.
She's your girl?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I don't want to see her anywhere. Classic, test delicious food center.
It's fine. I'm sorry about that.
Chioma, my love.
It's fine.
Oma Lola.
It's fine.
Oma Chioma.
It's fine, man. It's fine.
Oma Chioma, my love.
I'm sorry.
We are not
She can't stop
Lola.
to eat here. Okay?
Chichi. Oma Lola. So she slapped Chichi, my love.
Please,
Atlanta. Okay. It's a lie.
Why are you being aggressive?
See, you have to hear when the law go. You are lucky that I didn't even fight you. Chichi. Hi. Chioma, my love. That I will carry go Atlanta, maybe Atlanta. It would Chioma Chidoski is it Rempan. Boy, see T-Pen. Chichi, take a look at my T-Pen hairstyle. Then I can see T-Pen.
Babe, what's wrong with you? Why did you have to come there to embarrass yourself? Like I told you, I have nothing to do with this girl. She's just a girl that cooks so well, and I enjoy eating her food. Like, is that so hard to believe?
Paul, you can tell that to a fool and not me. Before you started eating at that girl's place, you used to like my food. You enjoy my food. But now, since you start eating at her place, you are always complaining about my food, and you're telling me that she's not your girlfriend. I won't believe it.
Babe, there's nothing there now. Like, you just have to level up your cooking. There's nothing there. Like, I just enjoy her food. Is that so hard to believe?
What you give to me is not up to what you spend in that girl's shop every day. Babe, I know you spend much in that shop. It's not up to what you give to me.
Babe, stop exaggerating things. Like, there's nothing there, okay? I don't like the way you're talking to me. Like, you just embarrassed me and you're still embarrassing me. Now, what's wrong?
Other men eat from every other shop, but your own. You eat from Chioma's shop every time. You drive 30 minutes away from our house to that girl's shop. And you're telling me that you people don't have anything. It's a lie. I know, I'm feeling it.
It's okay, babe. It's okay. It's okay. At least you don't see me eating there now.
But other days you go there now. Are you not seeing all those shops everywhere?
It's fine. I'll take you home now. You get me?
I beg.
I don't want this nonsense to happen again.
Nonsense?
Yeah, like it's fine.
You call it nonsense?
Babe, now.
Stop eating there now.
I would think about it, but you can't stop me from eating there now. You get me? Like, I like eating there. She cooks well.
So you are still going to go back there?
Babe, it's just food now.
This one that you saw today is small one.
It's just food.
I will do it again.
Till
you stop eating there. What is wrong with my own food now? Is it not sweet again?
You just need to level up. There's nothing there. You just need to level up.
Top it up now. Bring money.
Money is the problem. No problem.
Chioma, my love. Chioma, I don't know why you are shedding tears. Why are you crying? Why are you feeling like this? Stop feeling the way you are feeling. You need to put yourself together. You see, all those people are just jealous of your meal. They are jealous of you, don't you know? Don't you know who you are? You are Chioma Classic Test Delicious Food Center, the only professional international chef in this whole village. So put yourself together. They are just jealous of you. Why are you crying? You don't have to cry. Okay, look at, they said that they want to snatch their husband. Will you have someone like me? Chidoski, Isitrempan, Policy T-Pen. Chioma, take a look at my T-Pen hairstyle. Will you leave me and snatch another person's husband?
Just exactly what I've been saying. Like, how will I even do it when I have you? I'm just feeling bad because they will soon start carrying rumors around the village that I'm snatching people's husbands and to spoil my business.
See, you don't have to feel bad. Forget about those people. Forget about them. They are just jealous of your food. Have you forgotten that I will take you to Atlanta, Georgia? No, stop crying now, Chioma. Hi, Chioma, my love. I go carry you go Atlanta. Forget about them. See, do you know what? I will be coming to your shop. You see those people? I will be going to the shop with you. Right now, it's me and you in the shop. I will be assisting you from today. So that if anybody tries rubbish with you, if anybody tries rubbish with my Chioma, see, I will personally deal with that person. Have you forgotten, man? I'm single born. Chidoski, Sitrempan, Policy, T-Pen. I got a single born. You know that? So wipe your tears. I am there for you. Nobody will mess up in your shop again.
Thank you.
You're welcome, so wipe your tears. Do you know what? What of that your classic taste delicious rice inside. I hope you prepare it.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, Wolonya.
Okay, I'm coming. Oh, dear, I'm coming.
Add a little salad. Chioma, my love. Bonye salad. Bonye salad. Chioma go carry you go Atlanta. Hi. See, I don't know why these people are jealous of my Chioma. If they are jealous, if their husband is eating outside, let them come to your shop and learn so that you will coach them on how to cook. Now, face even new of Magadi have whatever you know. Chioma, I see one medulla oblongata. Nebonye salad yo. Chimwa.
Baby. Baby. You've still not eaten your food.
Yeah, babe. Look, I just want to round up with this proposal and go in and shower, okay?
My love. My love. What's really going on? You've not been eating at home lately.
Babe, look, it's nothing serious, okay? Look, we've been having lunch and dinner meetings of late. And before the end of the day, I'm full.
You would have to save up some space in your belly for my meals. You cannot continually eat at your office.
Hey. Noted.
Yeah, right.
Mm.
That's the look you give me whenever you want to have your way. Because you know it works.
Hey, let me just get done with this, okay?
Okay. I'm going to leave you to carry on while I go watch some makeup videos. Gosh, I have this new technique to draw my eyebrow that I can't wait to try.
You really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, please leave before I lose concentration.
You're chasing me away now.
Not
Okay. I'll see you in a bit, babe.
I'll be with you shortly, okay?
Okay.
For this.
Wait. I know I emptied this bin today. I emptied this bin. So where are all of these takeaway packs from? Wait. Oh. So Maxwell has been eating. He's been buying food?
So tell me, what are you insinuating?
I am not insinuating anything, Maxwell. I am stating facts. Look, I've been observing you for the past couple of days. You don't eat my meals anymore. Not even breakfast.
But you know I don't regularly have breakfast.
Oh my God. Same story. You don't have breakfast. And yet you return to this house every day with takeaway packs from the same restaurant. Maxwell, you wouldn't eat my meals, but then you prefer to eat out. Who does that to his girlfriend?
Sandra, the lady in question cooks really good. She cooks very good meals. And you are yet to get done with your culinary classes. Why don't you just employ her to make meals for us? Yeah, we could just draft out a timetable in which she uses to cook.
Hey, Maxwell, please. Do not give me such an option. Don't give me such an option, Maxwell. There is no way on the surface of this earth I'm going to sit back and watch another woman cook for my man. Why? Am I handicapped? Maxwell, listen, I hate the way you put this. You're making it look like I cannot cook, whereas it is your taste bud that is the problem. Yes, your taste bud is bad. That's why it cannot process my yummy meals.
You're just making things difficult.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. You could actually learn from this lady, you know.
You're insulting me, Maxwell. You're insulting me by comparing my meals to her bacterial infected food. Don't do that again. Listen, you have to stop eating at her restaurant. Please, you must. You have to. It's a given. Unless you want me to start thinking otherwise. Wait, Maxwell, are you already cheating on me with her?
Ridiculous, Sandra. What is your problem? You know what? I've had enough for this night, okay? I will just have to take my rest. Tomorrow is another long day. Good night.
Fine. But you have to stop eating at her restaurant, Maxwell. You have to stop eating there, unless you want to look for my problem. Maxwell! Maxwell!
There is something about you.
You have to promise me that
there is something about you, girl.
Maxwell, don't sleep. I'm not sleeping.
There is something about you.
Stop eating at her restaurants. Please, Maxwell, this is not funny.
Off my mind. There is something about you.
What is going on here? Babe! Something is burning. Babe! Babe!
Oh, look at them. Such power couple. They're so cute. My God! Babe, you scared me.
Wait, babe, you're here and what you're cooking is burning. You can't perceive it.
Who says I can't perceive it? Of course I can perceive it. It's jollof rice. I don't know, all of a sudden it started burning even though it's not done and there's still water in it. That's why I'm leaving it to burn so that it will still get done.
You are leaving it to burn. Come on, jollof rice, you cannot cook. Eh?
Who says I cannot cook jollof rice?
Please turn off this gas before it burn down my house.
I don't understand. Oh. He can't even appreciate my efforts. What am I supposed to do? Bring down the rice when it's not done? What is so wrong about me saying that even though the rice is burning, we should leave it to burn so that the rice will be done? Or did he not hear me when I said the rice was not done? This Maxwell, it is very hard to please Maxwell. He cannot appreciate my efforts. All he can see is that the rice is burning. Let it burn. It will get done. We'll manage it like that. I cannot eat half done rice. My love. Baby. I'm sorry about what happened earlier.
Look, babe. I don't have a problem with your deficiencies. You know I don't. I think it's high time you took your culinary classes serious. Or better still, just allow this girl to supply us food.
No.
I don't have a problem with it.
No, babe. No. No. My goodness, babe. That's like you telling me to hand you over to another woman. Look, babe, it is my responsibility to take care of you. And I will not allow another woman to do that for me. I don't even want to cook.
Here we go again. And yet you still don't know how to do these things.
But I've promised I'm going to improve with time. Be patient with me, babe. Please.
Babe, look, just let this go now. I just want you to use your stress.
Wait, let me get this. Are you by any means falling in love with that girl? Because I don't understand why you continue to root for her the way you're doing.
Alright. I rest my case.
More like it. I love you. Come on, don't make that face. Come. Come, take it. Tell me you're not filled up. You still need food?
You're welcome, ma.
Where are your customers?
Oh, my customers are usually here at the morning times during breakfast and also at lunch. But now it's past lunch, that's why I'm just all alone.
I see. And you speak quite well, by the way.
Thank you, ma.
Don't kid yourself. I'm not here to shower you with praises. Anyway, I had to get your address from the package. And in spite of all the packaging and good English you can afford to speak, it's rather unfortunate. You sell in such a disgusting place. What did they even come here for anyway?
Ma'am, please, who are you and why would you walk into my shop just to insult me?
The question is, why will you try to snatch my man with your dirty meals? Anyway, my name is Sandra, and I am here to warn you to keep away from my man. His name is Maxwell.
Mr. Maxwell?
Oh, how formal, Mr. Maxwell. Like you're not trying to snatch him.
I don't, he's only
Listen. Hey, you're salivating. You're, don't. Exactly.
No, Mr. Maxwell is just my customer. I have nothing to do with him.
One thing. All pretenders have one thing in common. They look innocent. They always claim not to have anything in common with the said person. Listen to me, I am not dumb, okay? And I came here to warn you like a friend. I'm not always this generous. Keep away from my man. No. Make him stop coming here. Yes, you have to make him stop coming here, because if you think you're going to snatch him with your charm and tasteless food, it's not going to work. It will not work. For your own good, stop him from coming here to eat your dirty, bacterial infected meals. Do you hear me? Because if I come back here again, oh, your dumbness is rubbing off on me. I almost want my shade the wrong side. Have a good or bad day.
Hey. See trouble, oh. There's nothing I will not see in this buka of mine. Imagine me, Mr. Maxwell, how? Huh? If he knew how to cook, would he be here? So because I'm now cooking, you now walk into my own shop just to insult me and accuse me of stealing or snatching your husband? I be boyfriend, which one? Hey, please I'm just going to call Mr. Maxwell. Whenever he comes here, I'll tell him to please stay away from this shop. I don't like problem. See my poor business I'm just doing. I don't like any problem. Can you imagine? Calling this place disgusting. Hi. Choma, sorry for you.
What is your problem? Are you so ashamed of yourself?
I'm not ashamed of anything. Why should I be ashamed of myself? Why? Your closeness to that girl was becoming unbearable to watch.
What closeness?
My goodness.
Sandra, what closeness? Look, I have no relationship with this girl. I only go to her to just go and eat food. I need good home food. Can you make one?
You can say what you like, but I don't believe you, Maxwell.
Look, I don't care. I really don't care. You owe that girl an apology. Honestly.
I will not apologize for anything. Yes, whatever I did to her, she deserves it. Because prior to me going there, I have warned her several times to keep away from my man, but she wouldn't. I am going to teach her the lesson of her life. Oh, you have no idea.
Enough of this madness! Sandra, what is your problem? You know what? I think this nonsense should stop.
We'll see who's actually mad in a bit. We are going to see who's mad. Yes. Right now? Perfect. I'll be there. Thank you.
Hey.
Babe. How long have you been here?
Not so long.
Oh, see. Welcome.
You going out?
Yes. Something important came up.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Chioma, my love, see, this whole thing is getting me tiring. This whole thing is getting me tiring. See, if not that I trust you so much as my love, if not that I trust you, I would have begun to doubt you. Why is all these women coming after you? Why are they coming after you?
I don't know.
Just always accusing you of wanting to snatch their husband. Why?
I don't know exactly what I've been asking myself. Because you and I know that there's no way I'll have a hand to do with anything fetish. No way.
See, my love, you must be very careful. You must be extremely careful with all these women. Okay, who knows? Who knows who the next person will be? You remember what the other woman did in your shop? Who knows who the next will be? You need to be very careful with them. Please, my love.
Baby,
please.
I know now, but there's no way that they were expecting to chase all my customers. I cannot stop them from coming to eat my delicious food. All because their wives are coming to complain. No, now. I'm just good at what I do. I know how to cook and they don't.
I know you are very good. I know you are good. But, my love, you have to be very careful.
I will.
All these women are just jealous of all this your best delicious recipe.
Oh.
You are professional international chef in this whole village.
Number one.
Chioma, my love, Jinny. We see Walia Chidoski medulla oblongata. What me see tipping? Take a look at my tipping hairstyle.
I can see it.
Yes. They are just being jealous. They are jealous. See,
jealous.
Do you know what? You see those women? Let them all come so that you will teach them on how to cook all this your delicious recipe. In fact, I will volunteer myself. I will volunteer myself to coach them on how to cook. You know I can cook very well, but you are the best.
I know.
The best chef. My love.
And they are out there complaining that I did this one, I did that one.
They are
because
jealous.
they don't know how to cook.
They are jealous of all. They are jealous. You must be Chioma of all people. Chioma, my love. Jinny, Chidoski. Is it Rempan? JYC T-Pen. My love, take a look at my T-Pen hairstyle.
I can see it.
Then can you see if you what me see T-Pen? In a cincha. If you see, will be an
I can't get you off my mind. There is something about you, girl.
Hey, babe.
Hey. Are you cooking?
No, I'm just trying to microwave the food I got.
The food you got?
Mm-hmm.
I guess it's her food again. Oh, I see. In spite of all my warnings, I warned her, but she wouldn't listen. She's clearly very stubborn, but I know exactly how to deal with her type.
Sandra, what's your problem? What are you doing?
You see what I'm doing.
Sandra! Sandra! What have you done?
Wait! Maxwell. You wanna hit me? Wait. You wanna hit me because of that thing? Go ahead and hit me! Hit me, Maxwell! No! Beat me up! Beat me up! Because I'm supposed to sit down and watch you ignore my food, only to eat that of that godforsaken bitch? Her bacterial infected food is what you prefer to mine, and I'm supposed to just swallow it. Because almighty Maxwell does not want to eat Sandra's food, so I'm supposed to be okay. Beat me up, Maxwell! Beat me! Beat me! Oh my goodness.
Seafood, oh, Buka, yummy, taste delicious, Buka, finger licking, taste delicious, Buka, chai, oyolema. If you want to eat good food, oh, come to taste delicious, Buka. If you want to chop and lick a finger, oh, come to taste delicious, Buka. Come with your people, oh, come to taste delicious, Buka. If you want to chop cheap food, oh, come to taste delicious, Buka. On a sogi, oh, on a somo, come say a somo, on a somo. If any nato, on a somo. If he minesi, on a somo. Second, pakam. On your lima. We get food. Cheddar. Yeah. Even rice and beans. Oh, bono. Yeah. Anyhow you want, we mix them. Anyhow you want, we go cook them. Anyhow you want, we go give them. Only for our buka, oh. If you want to eat good food, oh, come to taste delicious buka. If you want to chop and lick a finger, oh, come to taste delicious buka. Come with your people, oh, come to taste delicious buka. If you want to chop cheap food, oh, come to taste delicious buka. On a sogi, oh, on a somo, come say a somo, on a somo. If any nato, on a somo. If he minesi, on a somo. Chop one and chop two, oh. We also get your health in mind, yo.
Hey, Oga. Good evening, sir. Sir, you're welcome. Oh. My food has finished.
Which food? Do we look like people where they hungry?
Ask me. Now you get this shop.
Yes, sir. This is my buka.
Now you they sell food here.
Yes, sir.
You are very wicked. So now you they use charm, they collect people husband.
No.
You dey deny, you go see yourself. You don't see this girl?
Yeah, Otaka Omaka. Which one be no?
They call officer liar.
We they tell you say now you be the person where they use charm, they collect people husband, that boyfriend. Yeah, they shout no. Which one be no?
You go see yourself.
I be don't see yourself. Still they play with you.
Calm down. Don't worry, when we get there.
Please.
Hey, bro. I did.
Chemo! Which
one are they doing now? How are you?
Now one woman only complain. Say this woman they use charm, they collect their husband for this.
Who be the woman now? When they? The woman they chop wins. Now my woman be this oh. Wallah it a lie.
Chemo!
I tell you.
Sure!
How are they now? Okay, now make una come.
Nah, you make us come.
Na bad market.
Jemo, if no be say you come like this, we don't plan say make we carry am for head they come out. What we go do?
When I jump enter my fence oh.
Wallah,
na bad market.
Jemo, come on hand.
You know what you na go do?
Okay, sir.
Tell the woman when they talk that jabrata. Say this one no be na monkey market.
Salebo.
Na monkey meat.
After you,
we mad.
After you, Jemo.
Jemo. Anybody wey mess up, wanna call me. God go put that woman from in generation, you know, in the crate.
Thank you, sir.
You know them?
No, I don't know them.
No mind them, na bad people, right? They color them.
Thank you, sir.
Anytime where they come, let me know.
Thank
Which
you,
food,
sir.
man?
Hey, food don't finish up. But no, sir. Don't worry. I'm going to prepare something very fast now.
Prepare something for me.
Yes, sir.
Now, bad egg them.
Thank you,
Anytime
sir.
when they disturb you, call me, man. Sit
Thank
down.
you. God bless you,
Go
sir.
punish them.
Hey.
They know well. Them be animal.
Madam.
And why are you here alone? Where's the low life I asked you to bring for me?
Madam, forget the English first. What do you talk to that woman do you?
Excuse me? Are you daft? I clearly... I told you she snatched my husband. No, my fiancé. My man. She snatched my man.
You see, you're mad. Cho. See, now you the problem, they will in hand. Yes, now you be the problem. You know how to cook. Tell me the truth.
Are you stupid?
Yes, because the only problem, the only mistake.
Shut up! Is that what I paid you for, you bastard? You have the guts to talk to me about cooking?
No wonder, I talk am. Now you be the problem. You know sabi cook. Cho. How they no go leave you follow that kind of woman? Eh? Cho.
Come back here. Where's the money I gave you? If you're going to move, you might as well return my money. Listen,
Officer of the law?
who gives a damn who you are? You're nothing but a low-life tout who pretends to be one. First of all, you can't intimidate me.
Touch me again.
I will touch you.
Touch me again.
You think I'm scared of you?
The only crime that woman commit now to know how to cook very well. You sabi cook. You sabi cook.
Oh, shut up. The mouth.
You want cause problem between me and my oga. Nonsense.
I don't blame you. You regret doing this to Sandra. Trash. How dare he ask if I can cook?
What is even wrong with that, Sandra?
I don't know, man. She said Choma used jazz or something on me because I'm not eating her food again.
That is because you have been taking the food like that all this while. And I know she is putting effort to improve.
I even told her that Choma should come cook for us, but she refused. Look, I really don't even know what to do. Even the Choma herself, I don't know where she is. I went to her store the other day, it was closed. I don't know, I'm suspecting it's these regional development offices, one of them that closed their shop or something.
Come on, there should be someone around her you can ask for her now.
Okay, I think I'll do that tomorrow. I'll just take out time to just go and search for her, you know. I waited this long because I didn't know what to do. Although I have my appointment, so I have to leave.
Seriously, Sandra really means business.
The girl is really causing trouble, you know.
Babe! Where are you going? I thought her shop is sealed up. Besides, it is weekend. We are supposed to spend more time together.
Look, I'm not obligated to explain myself to you whenever I want to go out.
Well, you are, because I'm your fiancé and I deserve to know where you're going.
You're not my fiancé. I haven't proposed to you yet.
Then go ahead and propose. Yes, Maxwell, propose to me because I am sick and tired of your insensitive behavior in this house.
Sandra! Sandra, don't you think it's too early for you to make my life uncomfortable? Look, I'm going out for an important meeting. In fact, what are you still doing in my house? It's the weekend. Are you not supposed to be in your own house?
Wait. Maxwell, are you directly asking me out of your house?
No, not at all. I'm not. But it seems like the atmosphere here is not favoring you.
I don't blame you. You come back and meet me here because I'm going nowhere.
Well, have a good day, darling.
What will I do? How will I solve this problem? Where will I run to? I don't even have anyone that can help me.
Chioma, what's happening? I've been searching for you everywhere.
Mr. Maxwell, good afternoon.
Why do you have tears in your eyes? What's happening?
A lot has been going on. A lot has been going on. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. It's okay. Look, why don't you come with me? Let's just discuss somewhere, okay? Come, live here. Come, let's go.
It's fine.
Okay. Can I see?
So as I was saying, I didn't know that my shop was located at a place that has been marked for governmental projects. The government officials came and closed the place down. Like, the food I cooked was just a total waste.
I'm so sorry. That's that bad. Look, these things happen sometimes. What are you going to do about it?
I don't know. I have absolutely nothing I can do now. All I'm just thinking of now is just to save up or look for money and set up a new place. And I've already eaten into my capital.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sure everything will fall into place. I believe everything will fall into place.
I hope so.
Nah, it will. I came around to apologize to you, concerning what my girlfriend did. Look, it was totally uncalled for. I mean, and I wasn't even aware of what happened. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Mr. Maxwell, you wouldn't blame her. She probably loves you so much that she doesn't want any other person to steal her man. So, it's okay.
But I still maintain there are better ways to go about it.
It's fine.
Anyways, would you want to have something to eat?
Okay, I think maybe I should just prepare something. Do you want anything?
I wouldn't want you to stress. We could actually just go out and get something to eat if you want to.
Okay.
Alright. Come, let's go.
Chioma, are you telling me that you do not understand what I'm saying?
No.
You do not understand me. Chioma, you are a very big liar. It's a lie. Chioma, you lied. Chioma, you see, let me tell you, you understand everything that I said right now. Okay, now take a look. Government has sealed your shop. Government to share shop. And again, that charm that you are using to collect people's husband has faded.
Chidi, you of all people should know that I'm not fetish. I am not. You're not supposed to be saying this.
Chioma, you are fetish.
No.
Chioma, you are a very fetish human being. Looking at you now is the beautiful one. But at the back of your head, but the ugly one. You are fetish, Chioma. In fact, what am I doing here with you? What am I still doing here with Chioma?
All you have to do now is to support me in my time of predicament and not accusing me wrongly. Chidi, what's wrong with you?
Chioma, you want me to support you at this your predicament? It's a lie. I can never support you. I can never, in fact, Chioma, you see at this point now, the relationship is over.
What? You're joking, right? I hope you don't mean what you just said.
I am very serious. It's over between you and I. You see this relationship? Obego. Chidoski is sitting pano YC T-pen. Chioma, take a look at my T-pen hairstyle. It's over between you and I. I cannot continue with this relationship. What? I don't want to see you anywhere around me.
What do you mean? How? What did I even do wrong? Eh? What did I do?
Are you asking me what he did wrong? Chioma, you have done everything bad to Chidoski. In fact, it's over between you and I. See, I don't ever want to see you anywhere close to me. Chioma, Obego, it's over between you and I. Obego, what?
Why now? At least you should tell me what I've done. Why? You should be joking about all this.
Oh, you want me to tell you what you have done? Chioma, right now, you will go and ask those of your witches and wizard friends. Go and ask them, they will tell you what you have done. Chioma, it's over between you and I. See, I don't ever want to see you in my house again. Stay away from me. Chioma, stay away from Chidoski Citron Pan. Obegokwa. Okay, look at the food. I am not getting the food again. The money is as well not coming again. Opa government at Tuchigo shop, so it's over. Ogugo, it is finished. And it's over between you and I.
Chidi, you don't supposed to talk like this now. Eh?
I don't supposed to talk like that. He said, Chioma, said it's over between you and I. Chioma, my love. I go carry you go Atlanta. See, Chioma, Manduzigi Atlanta. I am going to Atlanta alone.
Chidi.
Chidoski Citrempa no police city pen is going to Atlanta alone, not with Chioma again. I'm so disappointed with you. Chioma, see, let me warn you. Again at my house. If I ever see you in my compound again, you can't see. Only God knows what I will do to you. It's over between you and I. Obego! Chioma, if I see your leg anywhere around my vicinity, my compound,
Hey, God, what have I done now? Chidi! Chidi! What's wrong now? That's I can remember. We did not have any quarrel. We did not argue about anything. So why is he acting up? Chidi, you better come back, oh Chidi! I don't even know what you're talking about.
Dave, no matter how I think about it, there is nothing you're going to tell me that will make me have a contrary opinion. Your friend is clearly cheating on me. I can bet my 2 cents on that.
Sandra, if my friend is cheating on you with another woman, I will definitely know because I am his best friend. I think you are the one complicating things for yourself. Look, I am still listening to you because I introduced both of you.
Exactly. Exactly why I need you to talk to him. Because as it is right now, I can't even talk to him. He doesn't listen to me. Ever since he came across that godforsaken girl he claims cook God knows what, I can't have his attention. He doesn't listen to me. He doesn't talk to me. I don't have his attention. How can you guys not see? Oh my God.
Sandra, Chioma is just a village poor girl who owns a buka we do patronize. And she equally has big men who do come to that place to patronize her.
That is the point. That is the point. That girl is a witch. She is a witch and she has all of these big men you're talking about under her spell. My goodness, why is everybody so blind? How can you not see? She's a witch, Dave. My goodness, have you ever seen me act like this? I mean, you know, Sandra, I'm a calm girl. I don't complain. I'm obedient. I am kind. I am discerning. Have you ever seen me act this crazy?
Sandra, stop pointing accusing finger.
Well, I have to do what I have to do.
Okay. I think at this point I have to talk to Maxwell. Both of you need to sit down and talk about the relationship and know what you guys really want.
Thank you. For once we're on the same page. My goodness, I despise that girl so much. Like I wish I could deprive her of oxygen.
For what?
Yes, because she's a witch. She's stressing me out. Can you not see?
Bam. That one. You want to kill her?
Yes.
Who will now be cooking the Nigerian jollof rice?
There we go again. Her spell is talking. You think you're still under your right? You think you're still in your right senses? That's her spell talking. So prior to you coming across her jollof rice, you were not feeding, right?
Let me ask you, Sandra, have you tested her jollof rice before?
What?
See, I seriously don't know what is wrong with Sandra. The girl keeps giving me headache. Sometimes I even feel like calling off the whole relationship. I'm just tired.
Is it that bad?
Man, it's bad though. And this whole thing started because of Choma. I told her, okay, come, let's keep ordering food from Choma. Let her cook for us. She refused though. And wants to keep serving me poison to eat.
Anyway, I just finished having a discussion with her. She sounded different. She says you are cheating on her.
This girl can insinuate rubbish. Rubbish. There's nothing of such happening.
Maxwell, communication is very important in a relationship. I will advise both of you to sit and talk and know exactly what you guys want in this relationship. Maxwell.
It's fine, I'll talk to her.
Better.
Chidi, wait now, I'm talking to you. At least listen to me. Chidi, please. I know that all you said is not true, right? You were joking, right? You don't mean what you said.
Chioma, what is wrong with you? Chioma, what is wrong with you? Give me your problem. See, take a look at me. Nemaya, do I look like I was joking? I think I said, see, it's over between you and I. Obego. I can't continue wasting my time with you. It's over.
Chidi, but at least you should tell me what I did wrong. Your accusation is not true. I am no way fetish. I can never be fetish. And as for my shop that was sealed by the government, it's not my fault now. It's totally not my fault.
Chioma, I don't care whose fault it is. I don't want to know whose fault it is. All I know is that it's over between you and I. Am I still gaining anything from you? Even again, I am no more gaining anything from you. So I can't continue to waste my time.
But Chidi,
Chidoski is tired.
Chidi, I love you.
Chioma, love, yeah, that love Ubakoko. Love Ubakoko. I don't love you. Chioma, I hate you.
No.
Are you the only beautiful lady in this village? Yeah, so because you are cooking taste delicious, you just dindin mado. I sing it just dindin mado.
Don't doing that.
Why cooking people's husband?
Hey.
So you better go and do something. I am done with you. I don't love you.
Chidi, this is not
I love Ulongi.
Chidi, this is not true. Chidi, this is not true. I know you love me.
It is true. I don't love you. Chidoski doesn't love you anymore. Open up. If I used to love you before, I don't love you anymore.
Chidi, you cannot be saying this to me.
Chioma, my love. Chioma, not my love. I don't love you anymore. Atlanta, I'm going alone.
Please, Chidi, you cannot just do this to me, Chidi.
Chioma, see, listen, Chioma, if you follow me, if I move and you move, if I move now and you move, stop, Chioma, I love you. I don't love you again.
Chidi, my love, come back, Chidi.
Hey, what is it? Why are you crying?
He left me, my Chidi left me, my Chidoski left me.
It's okay.
He has ended things with me just like that.
I'm so sorry. But hey, Stop crying now. You shouldn't be crying over a man.
You don't understand. I did literally everything. I did everything for Chidi. I clothed him. I gave him my money. I even paid for his house rent. I fed him. I did everything, and then all of a sudden he said he doesn't want me anymore.
You did all this?
Yes.
But hey, you don't do all this for a man and expect him to still value you. Eh? A man is supposed to be taking care of his woman.
I'm hurt. I'm so hurt.
I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay, but you don't have to hurt yourself anymore.
It's not okay. I actually thought we were going to end up together. I even visualized how our kids would be, everything, living happily ever after. And now he just threw me away like we never had anything together. Right now, so many things are going on now. My shop is closed. The government has sealed it. There's not even nowhere to be found, and I'm just alone to bear all the pain.
It's okay. It's okay. Hey, look. Look. I promise you everything will be fine. Okay? As for your shop, we'll do everything possible to get you on that one. But wait. First things first. You need to forget about this Chidi, eh? You need to just forget about him.
It's not that easy.
I know
We've
it's
been
not
together
easy.
for quite a while. This was actually someone I saw as my husband. Why would he do this to me? He didn't even think twice to just push me away.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
It's okay. It's okay.
Maxwell, for crying out the loudest, can you at least respond to me? I hate it when you try to turn me into a fool who talks to herself. Maxwell, answer me. When are you going to see my mother? Yes, because we need to get this wedding thing over and done with. I cannot be in a relationship with you forever without marriage.
I've not even proposed to you yet. And you're talking about going to see your mother. Sandra, things doesn't work like that.
Then go ahead and propose to me. Maxwell, propose to me because I have no idea what's stopping you. Why don't you propose to me like right now? What's stopping you? I have a ring. Take, put it in my finger. You see? You're not ready. You are just not ready. Cassandra is not even asking for a fairy tale proposal. This is a ring. Put it in my hand. You don't want to do it. Listen, I'm not going to waste my time with you if you're not going to get married to me. You need to go and see my mother. Let's get this wedding thing over and done with. As a matter of fact, I think if I keep waiting for you, you're never going to make a move. So from tomorrow, I'm going to start picking wedding dresses.
Sandra.
Yes, I'll do it.
Sandra, you need to take things easy. Sandra, you're making this house unbearable for me.
Oh my God.
Look, one day I will just pack my things and leave this house for you. Yes!
Excuse me? Maxwell, you're going to pack out of your own house because of me? Who does that? Who thinks like that? Anyway, it's rather unfortunate. You are stuck with me forever, Maxwell.
Can we just have this conversation some other time?
Yeah.
Look, I'm tired, please.
You're always tired. Whenever it comes to serious conversations, Maxwell is always tired. You can't handle a tough conversation. Propose to me, no. Meet my mother, no. When are we getting married? You cannot talk. You just turn me into a nag and then you turn around and say I'm nagging. You're going to leave your house for me. Why are you doing this to me? I love you. Is that not enough? Now you want to talk some other time. Once again, Sandra is the crazy one that wants to knock down the whole building. Propose to me, no. I love you. It doesn't matter. Don't beg me. Don't beg me. Don't try to persuade me, Maxwell. I have had it with your nonsense. Don't even bother persuading me. What is it? You piss me off and then you turn around and want to plead with me all day as if you didn't know what you're doing. Don't beg me. Maxwell. Maxwell, you mean you're not going to beg me? Maxwell! I can see you don't want me in this relationship anymore. So the courtship is over. It is over, Maxwell. I am not going to take this godforsaken route with you. Maxwell, you won't even try to stop me?
Sandra, what is it? If you want to leave, you can leave if you insist.
Really? Really, Maxwell? Really? Very well then. I'll leave because I know you'll come looking for me and I will not even say yes to you ever! Maxwell, I will not say yes to you. I've had it. Proud lover. Proud person. You cannot even beg your girlfriend that is mad at you. Rubbish. Okay.
Thank God, oh. Look, enough of my girlfriend, please. Okay? How's business? Hope it's going fine. So yeah, what's a pretty girl like you? So tell me, what's a pretty girl like you?
Oh! A pretty girl! A pretty girl, Maxwell! Less than 2 minutes of me leaving your house, you're already talking to some godforsaken pretty girl. Really, Maxwell? I left your house less than 2 minutes ago and you're already talking to a nuisance you call a pretty girl?
Sandra, I thought you left.
Oh, you thought I left or you wish I left? Sorry to disappoint you. I am back to stay like never before. Unfortunately for you, Maxwell, there is no pretty girl coming to rescue you. I mean the nuisance you're calling a pretty girl. I am back to stay, Maxwell. My goodness, you're a pervert. You're a womanizer.
Sandra!
Oh, please, don't patronize me.
Sandra, look. The break was necessary. I don't think we are compatible.
You don't think we are compatible? You're hallucinating. That's what you're doing. You are hallucinating because it is too late for you, Maxwell. If you're only now realizing that we are not compatible, this relationship must carry on. Maxwell, it is not over until I say so. And I will never say it's over. It is by force. I am back. I am going nowhere. Unfortunately for you, that nuisance you call a pretty girl is not coming here to rescue you. And if you know what is good for you, you will take my bag and bring it upstairs. Yes, Maxwell, because I am back to stay. Get out of my way. Womanizer, perfect, arrogant. You're too arrogant. You couldn't even beg me. Rubbish.
Hello? Yeah, she's back. This is the same person you were telling me to forgive? Barking like a dog. I'll talk to you later. Yeah. This is serious trouble. This meal is nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Maxwell, if you ask me, I will say, please, just try and make amends with your girlfriend. You don't just need to end this thing. You don't need to end things like this way.
You know, lately she's beginning to make me believe that she's not the one. Yeah, and I don't know what to do. I think it's best she leaves if she wants to.
But all this is happening because of me.
No, not at all. It's not your fault. Okay? None of this is your fault. I'll be fine.
If you say so.
I'm really enjoying this meal.
That's nice. Let me quickly go get bottled water because I only have sachet water here.
I'm fine with the sachet water.
No.
Trust me.
Please, Mr. Maxwell, I insist.
Babe.
Maxwell, what is wrong with you? Why are you resisting me?
Look, I'm tired.
Oh my goodness. Please. I don't want to hear that. I'm your woman and I've got feelings. You can't go out there and cheat on me with that church rat of a girl only to come back here and tell me how tired you are. What am I supposed to do?
Sandra, look, you can say whatever you want to say. I'm not in the mood.
Well, you have to be in the mood because I'm in the mood. Yes, Maxwell, you have to be in the mood. Maxwell.
Hey, babe, what is your problem? Don't you know we have neighbors?
I don't care, my goodness. I do not care, Maxwell. Do our neighbors starve their women?
I just told you I'm not in the mood. Don't you understand?
I don't
need to
understand
sleep.
because I'm in the mood. Maxwell, listen. I want you and you have to want me back.
Sandra! See, Sandra, look, Sandra, I'm not in the mood for this.
Something about you, girl.
Babe, please.
There is something about you. I can't get you off my mind. There is something about you. There is something. I can't get you off my mind. There is something about you, girl.
Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad both of you are cool now.
It's my delight. Let me help you with that.
Well, at least, I just hope it remains like this after I've left.
Look, Sandra has promised to remain calm henceforth.
Exactly. I'm not going to be the one to look for trouble.
Okay.
You know what? I will allow you to enjoy your meal while I bring you some fresh juice.
Oh, okay. Blood of Jesus.
What's wrong? Do you need water?
Look, Sandra, you really need to improve in your cooking skills. What is the meaning of this?
Dave.
She has moved from cooking with excess Maggi now to excess salt. Do you want to damage my liver?
Dave, Dave, it's okay. If you don't like the food, she will take it back. Oh. Hey, you know these things already. You should have just ignored.
You expect me to ignore and eat this rubbish? Eh? Look, I am not like you. I will let her know the truth. Moreover, I have nothing to lose. Please, I cannot eat this rubbish.
Dave, just relax.
I'm going. See you later.
Dave, chill now. Chill.
Maxwell. You mean you brought your friend here to embarrass me?
Hey, last time I checked this, I was our friend. He introduced us.
Well, since you both are now ganging up against me, he's no longer my friend. He's your friend.
Why don't you just calm down your high horse and just take corrections?
What? Why don't you advise your own self to stick to me? Yes, because no matter how I think about it, you are the problem, Maxwell. Ever since you started eating at that girl's place, we've been having problems upon problems and you pretend not to understand where the problem is coming from.
I knew you were going to mention it. What is your problem? Since you don't want to allow me rest, I might as well just leave the room for you.
You dare not walk out of me. Maxwell!
Hi. Oh my God, he's still not taking his calls. Ha! Hi God, I never knew that Chidi would be this heartless. So how can he be this heartless? He can't even take my calls. After all his empty promises to me. Obim, calm down. You need to calm down. Obim, calm down now, eh? Okay, wait. What did your uncle say about the whole thing?
Chioma, see, they are not saying anything about it. Okay, look, listen. Do you know that my wicked uncle, that my wicked uncle sent me packing without settlement?
Hi.
Accusing me, Chidoski, Isitrempano, accusing me of stealing his money.
How?
Chingma, do I look like a criminal?
No, you don't.
I didn't go.
Why you? I mean, why would he even accuse you of theft? You're not the only one in that shop. There are so many guys in that shop, so why you?
Chingma, that's exactly the question I keep asking myself 24/7. I keep asking my spirit, why? Okay, take a look. Kenechukwu. See, I am even struggling to feed. If I often not I can really go in me. I know why my uncle is doing all this. I'm a million because I have no one to fight him. Look at me, I'm just a very poor orphan. That's why my uncle is just doing all these things to Chidoski, Sitrempa,
Calm down. Oh, it's okay. I know how you feel. Okay. I'm going to give you some money. I'll give you some money. It's actually the money for contribution. They'll bring it later in the day. So when they get it, I'll give it to you. You really need something to sustain yourself. And I'm not in urgent need of it. It's the money I saved up to boost up my buka business. But it's fine. You need it more than I do.
Hi! Chioma, my love. You mean you are going to give me the money that you saved for your business?
Yes, I will.
Hi, God. Thank you so much. John, I thank you so much.
You don't need to thank me. You're my love. I should be doing things like this for you.
Hi! In fact, I will love you forever and ever, baby. My love, maybe. Choma, see, that's why I said I will love you forever and ever, baby. In fact, I am okay now.
Yes.
Let me just wipe my tears.
Yes, you should. You should be okay, alright? I've promised you and I'll fulfill my promise. You don't need to be sad anymore. Don't cry.
My love, maybe. I will see Chidoski is it rempan. Yeah, why is it T-Pen? Just take a look at my T-Pen hairstyle. I will love you forever and ever, baby.
Are you sure? Not after saying all this, you don't start following all those small village girls.
God forbid. Mommy, I will do no such thing. I can never hurt you.
Okay.
Okay. What would those village girls be doing for me? What would they do for me?
I don't know.
Okay, look at you. Look at Akwangwam. Chioma, my love. Promising. Look at you are promising me, Chidoski. Is it Rempan? Why is it T-Pen? You're promising me to give me the money that you save to boost your business.
Yes.
You save all this money and you wanted to use it to boost your business.
But it's fine.
But now look at you sacrificing the money on Chidoski. Is it Rempan? Why is it T-Pen? Chioma, my love. In fact, those village girls, look at, they are nothing. I will love you forever and ever.
I hope you never leave me.
See, Chioma. In fact, if I leave you, if I leave you, let me just let me disappear. I love you so much, baby. Chioma, my love.
On my wedding day.
I go carry you go Atlanta. Chioma, my love. I go carry you go Atlanta.
And then you propose to me.
Yeah, that's how I was like, will you marry me, baby? Chichi, will you marry me, baby?
Yes, Chidi, I'll marry you.
Hi! You will marry Chidi? Chidoski? Isi Trempan? Yeah, why see T-Pen? Now, Chioma, take a look at my T-Pen hairstyle. Now, can you see T-Pen? Chidoski, yeah, why see T-Pen? She will marry me?
Yes.
Hi! Chioma, my love. I go carry you go Atlanta. Medu na Atlanta. Chidoski will carry you go Atlanta. I go carry you go Atlanta.
I don't even know the one that hurts me the most. I don't know. And I don't even know why I'm still thinking about that godforsaken being. I don't know whether it's the pain of being cheated by him or the pain of giving him my money, my food, love, everything. Or the pain of this heartbreak.
Hey, beautiful.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Welcome. Hi, I'm...
Why is your face like this? Wait, don't tell me you're still brooding over that guy.
No, I'm okay. But you know, it's not easy though, getting through this heartbreak. But I'm fine.
I know. Hey, look, everything will be okay.
Thank you.
Ciao. Hey, I got you groceries.
You did?
Yes, I did.
Oh my God, Maxwell, this is so thoughtful of you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Please, is there something to eat in this house?
Okay, just give me a few minutes and I'll quickly fix up something for you.
Oh, I always trust you. You come true. Always.
I'll be back.
I'll be waiting.
Thank you.
I'll be waiting. Yeah, how far now? I did. In fact, as we speak now, I did a house. She's about preparing something sumptuous for me to eat. You know now. You know if you know the house. You know if you know the house. We'll talk later. Now. Alright. Hey. Sandra, give me my car keys. Give me my car keys, Sandra.
I am not giving you these car keys. Can you stop wasting your time already?
Give me my car keys.
I clearly gave you two options. It is either I go with you or you give me the full details of where you're going. What's the rocket science about this?
Sandra, give me my car keys. Sandra, give me my car keys.
I am not giving you this car keys.
Listen to me. Don't take my quietness for stupidity, Sandra. Sandra, give my car keys.
You want to beat me up because of that thing? You want to beat me up because of a piece of trash? Maxwell, come take the car keys. Come and take it.
Sandra.
What is it? Leave me. You think I'm joking?
Maxwell. Look, I don't know if there's any tactics I can use to bundle that girl out of my house. I'm tired.
Maxwell, why do you want to get rid of her now?
Look, this is not what I bargained for now. What's going on? I'm not even happy going back to my house. I have no peace.
Look, that house is your house. You have the right to decide who stays and who leaves. Since you have not told her anything, that means you want her to stay.
Look, Maxwell, Dave, this whole thing, it's not easy.
Come on.
Just take me out of here, man. Trust me. Crazy one.
You don't. I can't even imagine it happening to me. I can't imagine it happening to me.
I know you.
You thought I'm not going to find you, right? You thought I'm not going to find you, right? You're running. You're running. And Maxwell.
Sandra, what are you doing here? Sandra!
Hi.
Sandra, what are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here.
Don't patronize me. What do you mean I'm not supposed to be here, Maxwell? You have the audacity, Maxwell, to tell me I'm not supposed to be here, and yet you left me alone in the house to come spend time with this thing.
Sandra!
Maxwell!
Sandra, you need to leave. Sandra, you need to leave.
Don't tell me to leave! Don't tell me to leave, Maxwell! You're choosing this trash, this low life, a destitute over me, Maxwell!
Sandra.
Maxwell, look at me!
Sandra, it's okay. You need to leave. Sandra, you need to leave. Sandra, you need to leave. Sandra, Sandra, you need to leave.
Okay.
Sandra.
You know.
Go, Sandra.
You know yourself.
I'm sorry.
You know yourself. Maxwell, leave me.
Sandra.
Oh my God. I will. This thing, Maxwell.
Sandra. I'm sorry.
I'm coming for you. You're sorry for what?
Sandra,
you're sorry. Why are you apologizing to her? This thing. Oh, Maxwell, please. Maxwell, leave me. I need.
Sandra.
You better stop wasting your time, Maxwell, because there is no way I am going to open that door. Return to where you're coming from.
Sandra, open this door. You cannot lock me out of my own house now. What is the meaning of this? Sandra!
Oh, so you know it is late and yet you're returning by this time. Maxwell, you're a very useless man. You're very useless. You have a woman like me waiting for you and you decided to come home by this time. You will return to that place.
Sandra, I don't want to be violent with you. Please open this door. Sandra! Sandra!
Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, I'm so scared of you being violent with me. Keep knocking. Keep knocking because Sandra will not open it. You will have to go back where you're coming from. And this is the last time I'll say it actually.
What is wrong with this girl? What is the meaning of... What is all this? Locking me out in my own house. Sandra, open this door. Sandra! Jesus. In my own house, I have to go and use the visitor's room because I want to rest. It's okay. Sandra.
Yes?
Sandra, leave my way.
Where do you think you're going? No. Where do you want to go, Maxwell?
Sandra, if you continue like this relationship would not work. Wait, you prevented me from sleeping last night. Now are you preventing me from going out? Are you okay?
Oh, Maxwell. Maxwell, you dare to threaten me with our relationship. No. This beautiful relationship that has been lovely, beautiful, rosy, and off the chains and over the moon with its kind of love vibe. You're not telling me it's not going to work because of that witch you call a girl? Really, Maxwell? Well, this is just a tip of the iceberg. Yes, Maxwell, because I am going to so make life miserable for you, you will not believe it's the same Sandra you've been dating. I mean, if you as little as cheat on me with that girl, Maxwell, I am going to make life miserable for you both, even if it requires me spending the rest of my life just making your lives miserable. I, Sandra, will do that. Maxwell, try me. No. Maxwell, push me and let's see who's going to regret it. What the hell?
Are you done talking? Can you leave my way now, let me pass? Sandra!
Maxwell, don't keep pushing me.
Sandra!
Maxwell, you're pushing...
Leave my way. I never knew I was dealing with a mad woman.
What did you say? Did you just call me a mad woman? No, come say it to my face. No, you should have said it to my face, Maxwell. Let me show you how truly mad I can be. Very well then.
Look, Dave, I really don't know what to do with that girl again.
Bro, I am really sorry that you are going through all this. You remember I told you I met that girl at a salon where I went to do my pedicure. I never knew she was this bad. I didn't mean I knew. I will never introduce such wicked fellow to you.
It's okay. It's not your fault. The more she keeps up with this madness, the more she keeps drifting us apart.
I can't even talk to her ever since that incident. I believe she will not want to talk to me.
Please, just let her be. Please, just leave her alone.
It's okay. In that case, you have to cheer up and focus on your business.
Talking about business, what's up with the project?
Don't worry, I'm going to send you a mail later. Right now, we need to focus on your new dates. Chioma. Yes.
New dates?
Yes, Chioma now. Tell me the truth. Are you falling for our chef?
How? I don't know what you're talking. Look, the girl is cool, determined. And what?
Don't worry. I'll be waiting. Drink up. Bad guy.
Please.
From the love rice to just
please drink up.
You don't even carry all the bakery. From bread, you don't move.
Babe, I don't know what you're talking about.
No problem. I'll be waiting. I know you know what I'm talking about.
Maxwell, leave. I don't want to listen to anything. Just leave. Leave my house. Go!
Chuma, calm down. Take it easy. What's going on? Was Sandra here?
Was Sandra here? That's all you have to ask me. I'm telling you that my life is in danger. And the only remedy is for me to keep away from you. Please, just stay away from me. I am tired of this friendship. I can't continue. Please, just go. Go!
It's fine. I'll go. But at least tell me what's happening.
I don't want issues. I don't want issues. I'm just a poor village girl. I'm poor and I don't want issues. Just let me be. I'm tired of all this. Just let me be. Let me be. Please. Just go. Leave me alone.
Babe! 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 Baby! Hey, baby.
You're welcome.
Babe. No hugs, nothing. You even get to welcome me properly. Babe, wait. Why do you even like fighting? Eh? Okay, I'm sorry. Look. Hey. Look at. I got you a gift. I got you your favorite perfume and a dress to go with it.
Well, I'm not cheap. The next time you cheat on me, try coming home bearing expensive gifts. You could start with a Range Rover.
Babe, no, that's too much to ask. Hey, listen, besides I'm not cheating on you. I'm sorry. Come, it's okay. I need to go check out your gifts and see if you like them. Okay? Smile for me, baby. Go check it out and see if you like them.
Sure. Thank you. So you can be this humble. I warned you. I clearly warned you every possible way I could. But then it fell on deaf ears because you thought, well, Sandra, she can't do anything. You thought you could size me up, yeah? Now look at you. Instead of you to go out there like a reasonable lady would do and get your own man, no, you decided to put love potion in the food of all the men that were coming to eat at your buka with the hope you can snatch Sandra's man. Almighty Sandra of all people. Today is the end of the road for you. I'm going to see who Maxwell will run to by the time you're dead. Guys, please waste her already. I can't stand the sight of her. Oh, shit! I can't stand your voice.
Oh, wow.
Maxwell!
Nice speech.
What are you doing here?
Guys, don't tell her.
What do you think you're doing?
So this is all your evil plan? I can't believe this. Sandra, so this was all your evil plan? Well, for your information, I knew about all this. Yes, and I decided to put a check on you. The change of attitude, the gifts.
Maxwell.
Well, all this worked in my favor, not you. Oh, you're shocked. You're surprised.
Wait. Let me get this. I paid you heavily to work for me and you turn around and betray me?
See no see, tell no tell. What goes around comes around. See, make I tell you, this woman here will value her more than you. So watch your mouth. One more word. One now, you go collect woto. Maba.
Well, let me tell you how this played along.
Madam, you are with the right people now. Say what you want to say.
Are you sure I can trust you?
Madam, you can trust us. Tell us what you want to tell us.
Emeka, it's been a while. What do I owe this visit? Welcome.
Look, let's just go straight to why we're here. There's no time.
Why are you here? Is anything the problem? Emeka? Chuka, what's the problem?
Very well then. Here. I want the lady in the picture in that envelope killed. She runs a popular buka in this village called Taste Delicious. I'm going to pay you $500,000 right away. I'll make sure to double the price when you're done with your job. You came highly recommended. I was told you're the baddest ones in the game in this village. To not disappoint me.
If I may ask, what's her offense? So to know the kind of death penalty to give to her.
I hate to be questioned. I don't like being questioned, especially by touts like you. But I would like to think you're asking because you want to make her death as painful as possible. Hence, I will explain. That bitch snatched my man. I want her to pay for it with her life.
Definitely, you will not be disappointed. He who recommended us to you knows we can do it.
Good. I like the sound of that. And most importantly, make sure you leave no traces behind.
Noted. You may leave.
Excuse me?
Yes, you heard him. You can go now.
Madam, leave now.
Hey, calm down.
Thank you. This deal no clear at all. This one I'm hearing murder. Me, I'm not part of it. Oh.
See, bro, Baba na Chioma dey here. Oh. Huh? Yes, now Chioma want to give us free food, guy.
This is true. Hi, and we don't already collect the money now. What we go do now?
Hi. My mind dey ball like this, eh? See, know what we go do now? Go march, go in house. Go follow and listen. Make we know what in the solve. A certain girl sent us to come and kill you.
Kill me? Why? Please don't kill me. What have I done? Who is this person? What did I even do? Please, Emeka, choke her. Please.
She said you snatched a man away from her.
Me?
Yes.
No.
Okay, fine. Who is Sandra?
Oh my God, Sandra is Maxwell's girlfriend. I did not do anything. I did not do anything with Maxwell. I've not even snatched anybody's husband or boyfriend before. I've not snatched anybody's husband. Please, don't kill me.
Wait. Who is this Maxwell to you?
Maxwell is just a customer. He's just a customer. He loves my cooking, so he patronizes my buka. But I swear with my life, I've not done anything. I've not done anything with Maxwell in my life.
Are you sure you've not done anything?
I swear with my life, I've not done anything with Maxwell.
Then you need to stay away from him. In fact, you need to leave this village for your own good.
Okay, please don't kill me, please. Don't kill me, please.
And listen to me. I'm just doing this for all those good days you used to give us free food. That's why I'm doing this. If not, na blood through my eyes, oh. I'll just come by you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Emeka. Thank you so much.
And remember, next time you'll not be this lucky. Better leave this village for your own good.
I will. I will. Thank you so much. God bless you. I've never done anything with anybody's husband. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Look, I have a proposed plan and I want you to help me carry it out.
But I hope it does not involve murder.
No, not at all. Look, I need you to pretend to her. I mean, Sandra, I'm sure she has come to meet you guys. I just need you to pretend like you've carried out our plan, okay? I need to gather enough evidence. I need to gather enough evidence, please.
Fine, but that's the very risky one. You know that. What if she comes after us?
Look, she does not have the capacity to come after you guys. Trust me on this. You know what? I will pay you double of anything she has paid you. Yes, I will pay you double of anything she has paid you. I just need this. If we don't do this, Chioma will not be safe. And I'm sure you know what that meant.
Now, like, how can we achieve this?
Okay,
do you have any plan to achieve this?
Yes, I have a plan.
Are you sure this is going to work? I mean, your girlfriend, she looks so dangerous. What if she sends some other people at me? What do I do?
Look, I have a plan, okay? And I need you to trust me now. She doesn't know that the guys she sent are not going to work with the initial plan. I set a trap for her, okay? And if she falls for it, she will be left behind bars.
I don't know, but I'm just so scared. Right now, all I feel is just to run away from here and leave you and your girlfriend in peace.
No. You don't have to run to anywhere, okay? She's the one that has to leave, not you.
Okay. But do you think I should still stay here? What if they find me here?
Okay, look, I could get you a place to stay for the meantime. At least until this thing is over. If you're fine by it though.
Okay.
It's okay.
Thank you.
We thought you were smart. But unfortunately for you, I called the shots.
Wait. Babe, I promise I'm not a bad person. You know me, you've dated me. I'm not bad. I was hurt.
You were hurt? To the point of trying to kill a human being? Sandra!
I mean, I love you.
Sandra, this is the same person I said we should employ as a chef. So that we could work our relationship out.
Well, I was losing your attention to her. I mean, you cannot entirely blame me, babe. It's not...
Officers, please take her away.
No, no.
Officers,
no!
please.
Why?
Ladies, we have to move.
No.
I don't want to rock.
Don't talk to me!
Shut up! I'm still talking.
Babe.
Officers, please do your job.
Please, babe.
Do you want me to rock?
Officer! Babe.
I said move.
Babe. Babe,
Do you want? I'll slap you. Move.
Emeka, thank you very much.
You're welcome, my brother.
Thank you.
You just have to do what we have to do.
Thank you very much. Chuba.
Alright.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Let's go.
Let's go. So I hope you are fine.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No
Thank you.
Yeah.
Maxwell, I am still very shocked that she went to that extent. Is that how much she loves you?
Is that what you call love? You're trying to kill somebody. You don't kill anybody for whatever reason.
So what are you going to do now?
I'm just going to allow the law take its course. Even if she's going to be set free. I'm going to make sure she signs an undertaking to stay clear from Choma and I.
I'm glad she's already at the police custody. They can do whatever they want to do with her.
Yeah. That's how the poor girl would have just died for nothing.
I don't even know where Sandra got this attitude from. I expected better from her. So where is Choma now?
Oh, she's at my place. The trauma and the whole thing that's happened knocked her off of it, so I just have to take her to my place to stay.
That's not a bad idea. At least she is safe now.
Yeah, of course she is.
Good. I'm glad everything ended like this.
Man, come in.
Yeah.
What is it?
Are you not perceiving that aroma going on in the kitchen?
Well, I'm 100% sure it's from my kitchen.
There is only one person that can do this. That is Chef Chi.
Who is Chef Chi?
Come on, Choma now.
Oh. I'm not serious. I beg, just relax. Let me quickly get the file, before the traffic starts now.
Look, that traffic can start for all I care. I will from near. I will have a taste of that meal before leaving this house.
Dave, I thought you said you were in a hurry. You wanted to pick up the file so you avoid traffic, or no?
My brother, the traffic can start. Don't worry yourself. Let me eat this food first. Yeah?
My brother, sit.
Tell her to be fast, yeah?
Dave.
Oh! Chef Chi, I can't eat it.
Hey! Look at you, baby.
Oh, you're back so early. I heard voices.
The aroma coming from this kitchen is nose blind.
Yeah, I'm cooking. I just heard voices, so I came to find out.
Yeah, I came back home. I just wanted to come and rest.
Okay. Okay.
Before I head back for some couple of meetings and also have a taste of your sumptuous meal.
It's fine, don't worry, I'll soon be done.
Besides, yeah, Dave is around.
Oh,
yes, he came with me. And guess what? He has refused to go because of the aroma coming from your kitchen. He says he's going to have something to eat as well.
That's not a problem.
Someone that can pick up a fire.
You don't need to worry.
Now your magical fingers are causing things in my house. Man.
I'll just say hi to him when I'm done.
Okay, please go.
Alongside with the food, I'll bring it. Okay. Alright?
Let me just go for a shower.
Sure. Okay.
You have this habit of wasting somebody's time. What's up?
I am sorry. I was actually coming downstairs to see you. When I had a call, it was urgent. I have to go back, please.
No problem, no problem. How far? You said you wanted to see me. What's up? What's the problem?
Yes.
Hope this discussion is about money.
Come on, it's about your girlfriend, Chioma.
What about her?
Yeah, there is a program going on in the State House.
Okay.
So some top of the politician will be hosted. So I recommended her services to be in charge of the local mail. Yes, at least the program will last for like 7 days.
Wow, that's a good one. Oh.
Yes.
That's a good one.
It's very, very nice. At least a sum of 7 million naira is involved.
Wow.
I believe Chioma will not finish such amount of money in meal alone. There are other chefs going to cook on that day.
Yeah. This is a good news. I'm sure she'll be glad to hear this.
Of course.
Nice. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my brother. I really appreciate this. I really appreciate this.
Yeah. So my regards to her.
Sure. I will definitely tell her when I get to the house.
So where are you going now?
Back home, okay?
So drop me off now.
Why?
There is something about you. There is something about you, girl. There is something about you. I can't get you off my mind. There is something about you. There is something. I can't get you off my mind.
Look, babe, I think we have to break this down and just put something better. At least for the legacy of your parents.
That would be nice.
Right?
Kenechukwu now. Say! What did I hear you say now? Kenechukwu, Kita! That he will do what? Demolish? Hi, Chichi, my love.
What are you doing here?
Chioma, my love. See, listen. Akanako. Akwefulona. Don't demolish it yet. Akanako Leona. See, Chioma. Chioma. Chichi, my love. Chioma.
What do you want?
Chioma, I said that I don't want you again. Chioma, see, Chioma, you see that Atlanta? I promise you that I will surely take you to Atlanta, Georgia.
Young man, what do you want?
Chioma, Metu na Atlanta. See, Chioma, I've changed. Chioma, see, Chioma, you need to forgive me. Just forgive me, Chioma. See, Chioma, have you forgotten who I am? Chioma, if I would Chidoski, is it Rempa?
Wait, what's this?
Police! Don't touch me!
Hey! Babe. Don't you get your child. What's me on that?
He said, I should not do what? I should not touch Chioma, my love. Do you know who is this? Chioma Jinivesi Walia, Chidoski Police Trempan, Medulla Oblongata.
What's wrong with this guy?
Where are you taking her, Chioma? You want to take her away, Chioma? Chioma nema anya nampulanya. Chioma chelanya one nampulanya. Watch Chidoski anya nampulanya. Chioma, I love you so much. See, you are not going anywhere with Chioma. What have you been there with Chioma? Didn't you tell him who I am? Chioma, I am Chidoski. Is it Rempa? No police tipen. Chioma, take a look at my tipen hairstyle. Chioma, my tipen hairstyle, yo. Chioma, see what? I will take you to Atlanta. In fact, I will take you all over America. Medu, New York, Miami.
Yes. Hello, Inspector.
Chioma.
Inspector. Yes, please. I'm having a little problem here.
Oga, just hold on, Oga Polo. Chelo, Oga Belu Nanki Inspector, Oga. I've not gotten to that. Oga Belu Nanki Inspector, Oga Chelo, go deal with the call. Chioma, Banonia. Yes, what do you want to do to Chidoski? Now, Chioma, explain to him that Chioma, you are my 1 in a million. Chioma, if you didn't remember, Chioma, it's going to see one medulla oblongata. Oga, this is my. Oga, I told this girl that I will carry her to Atlanta. Chioma! Chioma, don't do this, no. Chioma, don't do this, no.
There is something about you. There is something about you, girl. There is something about you. Can't get you off my mind. There is something about you. There is something. I can't get you off my mind. There is something about you, girl.
Like 4 decades. Hi. Yeah, do not know Chioma, my love, nah. Gigi, my love. Hi. Chidoski, sit down, pan. Okay, no, Messi. Chidoski. Hi. Chioma.
Babe. Babe. Hey. Hey, you. Okay. Okay. Sit.
Okay.
I have good news for you.
Really? I'm all ears.
Guess. Try it out, guess.
Babe, I can't guess. I'm actually cooking in the kitchen and it will soon get burnt.
Okay, Chef Chi, relax. Okay, so you know Dave, my friend now, my best friend. You know, so his dad is one of the big politicians in the States.
Okay.
And they're having these meetings where other politicians come together, you know, to have this housemanship, whatever they do, I don't know. But I think it's for about 7 days.
Okay.
And they're looking for a chef who will make them like local dishes.
Okay.
Yes, and guess what the amount is?
I can't guess. I don't know.
7 million naira.
7 what?
Million naira. Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-huh.
Am I the chef?
Yes, they recommended you, of course.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Yes, 7 million naira.
God, this is so huge.
Of course.
Oh, thank you so much.
Come
Thank you for me.
here.
Thank you so much. I get to save up. I get to save up and set up my big restaurants and everything I've always wanted to do.
Yes.
This is amazing. Thank you so much.
Now you're a millionaire.
I am, of course. Oh my god.
So he's gonna pick you up tomorrow. Okay. So get yourself ready.
Okay.
He's gonna pick you up tomorrow.
Okay.
And every other documentation will be sorted out.
Sure. This is just too much for me. Thank you so much. Jeez.
You deserve it all, okay?
I do, right?
Please go check the food
Yes,
in the
please.
kitchen.
Thank you so much.
Go check it for the kitchen.
There is something about you. There is something about you, girl. There is something about you.
Babe,
I can't get you off my mind.
I want to say a very big thank you for everything you've been doing for me. I truly appreciate it. I can never take it for granted. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad I was able to make this investment. And yeah, I don't regret it one bit.
And I promise I'm going to be a fruitful investment.
Oh, you are. You are already, my love. You are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, I have a beautiful news for you.
Was this beautiful news?
You want to hear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Chef Chi's Taste Delicious restaurant will officially be opening tomorrow, which is your birthday.
No way.
Yes, way.
You were joking, right?
I'm not kidding.
How? Where? When? How did you?
Relax.
Okay.
Relax. I will
I'm
tell
relaxed.
you. I will tell you.
Okay.
So, I've officially been on this project for a while.
Oh my god.
And I wanted to make sure I get it done before your birthday. And thankfully, it happened.
That's not true. You're joking. Please tell me you're joking, please.
Hold on. Where's my phone?
Yeah, here's your phone.
Okay. Let me show you a couple of pictures here.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Jeez.
This is beautiful.
I know.
Maxwell, you're telling me lies. This is so beautiful. Thank you so
Babe,
much.
hey,
Thank you. I want to say a very big thank
Stand
you.
up, stand
No.
up. No,
You
stand
won't
up.
understand, Maxwell. I
It's
mean,
okay.
thank you. You're just a godsend to my life. This
You like
is
it?
amazing. This is beautiful. This is exactly what I had in my mind. Please, when can we go there? We
babe,
need to go there right away. I
Babe,
need to see this
hold
place.
on. It's a surprise. Besides, tomorrow's your birthday, so it's your official opening.
Thank you so much, Maxwell. I love you dearly.
I love you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is beautiful.
It's okay.
This is exactly where I wanted to put the booth aside. How did you know all this?
You know, actually, I had a couple of discussions. You're welcome.
Thank you. God bless you.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you so much. I'm also proud of you, and I'm glad to have you. Thank you.
There is something about you. There is something about you, girl. There is something about you. I can't get you off my mind. There is something about you. There is something. I can't get you off my mind. There is something about you, girl. There is something about you.